Mentioning about the consumption companies, Mr. B. Thiagarajan from Blue Star joins us now. Mr. Thiagarajan, thank you so much for taking our time speaking to us. My colleague Hiral was just highlighting the boost that we've previously seen during previous pay commissions and what it has meant for consumer durable companies such as Blue Star. Given that we have the pay hike numbers with us, are you anticipating a good jump in sales over the next year, sir?
Very much. We are happy about this. As such, the festival season, we have done very well. The industry has also done well. I estimate that the industry would have expanded by around 10% during the festival season, and we have been growing better than the industry. We have done around 19% growth. So 15 to 20% growth during the festival season ending the new year, I anticipate. But this particular Pay Commission report, I suppose it will get implemented before summer. And in this case, we will have Diwali summer as well. I expect normally this kind of salary hike results in impulsive purchases of consumer durables. Of course, people will also invest in homes and other things. But immediately, the consumer durable sector always surges ahead in terms of consumer spending. So therefore, I am expecting, if the next summer is supposed to be growing between 10 to 15%, this has the potential to grow the market further by additional at least 500 basis points. In other words, if the normal growth would have been 10, this will push it up to 15. If the normal growth would have been 15, this will push us up by around another 5% to 20.
Hi, Mr. Thiagarajan. So as you're mentioning that the 7th Pay Commission will help you push up growth. Now that we know that winter is coming, December is close by. So for this quarter, how are you expecting the sales growth to be? Are you expecting a dip or is it expected to remain at the similar levels?
See, so far, the main festivals are over, right? In the sense that it starts with Onam and the Puja and the Diwali. This particular period, I mentioned to you that we have seen close to 20% growth. Again, during Christmas, New Year and Pongal or Sankranti in South, there will be some kind of a growth which will be 20. During this period, the sentiments are going up basically because of this Pay Commission report. And the actual money in the hands of the consumers or the salaried employees is going to happen sometime in the Q4 of this financial year. Earliest we can expect is this will get paid out before March or so. And therefore, the summer will see a big spike. I do not think that next 1 week is going to see a big spike also.
Okay. Mr. Thiagarajan, you recently strengthened your position into Oman by acquiring a stake in a company, Oman Electromechanical, and you're looking at expanding your foothold and market share in that region as well, sir. As we understand that the currently MEP services in Oman is about a $350 million business. How much market share do you command there and what do you hope for it to be and when does it start showing up on your books?
That acquisition comes already with some kind of a pending order, close to Indian equivalent of something like 150 crores or so. The investment is strategic. It is for a long-term thing. And WJ Towel is a very reputed party here in Oman. So they also have a capital construction business with them. So this is a very important step for us to grow our international footprint. In other words, it is one of the legs. We have quite a few plans to grow our international footprint. And the very first announcement that has been made is our decision to be part of a joint venture, which is into electrical, plumbing, mechanical, firefighting services as a package as it goes on there. The domestic side also, we see some kind of green shoots. Industrial projects are beginning to do well. The inquiry inflow is high. I expect perhaps between 12 to 18 months of a time, even the construction sector revival happening in the country.
All right. Sir, you had a one-time hit from a VRS scheme last quarter around, and we spoke after that. But into this quarter and the next, how do you see growth really panning out? Would you have a full year target for profitability or revenues that you could share with us?
All that I can say is that we will do much better than last year. The VRS which you are referring to is part of our manufacturing capacity rationalization exercise. We had closed down one factory in Bharuch, and the second VRS, which is for Thane, and Thane factory has been closed down. Now we are redefining our footprint. There are some new factories coming in, certain old factories getting closed out. It is part of our strategy to modernize our manufacturing as well as improve the capacities. And outlook for the year, the second half will be far better than the first half. And the financial year FY16 will be far better than FY15. Whether it is going to be a huge growth kind of a thing, I would wait for FY17 for that. For the simple reason, as is the case with many other sectors, the growth story is beginning to happen in the industry. But we are happy given the difficult situation what the country has gone through. We are doing reasonably well.
All right, Mr. Tyagarajan, thanks for that. You've got flashes coming.